Piyush, like you mentioned, there are chemicals to be added in a specific quantity. Also, I believe in a particular timeline, right? So that makes hydroponics an extremely complicated kind of task, which needs to be done only by people who know how to do it, right? It is not something like, let's say, I can do in my house or any individual can do in their house. So is it true that hydroponics can be also kept in individual households, or is it something that can only be maintained in large scale factories?
When we talk about hydroponic in a commercial scale, we do so. For example, you asked me the question if the chemicals that are being added. We don't think these are chemicals that we're adding to the water.
Right.
It's the basic nutrients that plant
Correct.
requires.
Correct.
In today's date, you're breathing the air that you're breathing. What does your body need?
Yeah.
What does your body need? Is it need oxygen, right?
Yes.
So oxygen is also on the periodic table, right?
Right.
So it's the same kind of edible nutrients that the
Yes.
plants require,
Correct.
right? And that is what we are adding on to it.
Mhm.
And when we talk about the complexity of it, there are a lot of players in the market who build these nutrients and give you a correct composition on how to use it. You just have to follow the ABC rules. That's it.
Instructions, right?
And your water is good to go. Like there are no harmful chemicals that are being added to the water to increase the production of it. Basically,
Right.
it's the basic nutrients that a plant requires.
Right.
And when we talk about the commercial or the domestic setup for hydroponic, commercial growers who want to get involved in it, they see a high cost when it comes to setting up an hydroponic farm. But in the long run, if you see a difference of it, how it is differentiated is that the yield that you get from a hydroponic farm is much higher than compared to any other farms in the market. So it fetches you a better price, it fetches you a better market, and it gives you the better audience for it.
Right.
When we talk about the commercial scale. And for domestic, so we started installing these indoor kitchen gardens in people's house, and it's working perfectly fine. Where you literally it's right by your kitchen. It's completely automated, and it's growing different kinds of salads and herbs for your own kitchen.
Yes.
So it is fulfilling anyone's salad requirements for the house or like herbs requirement.
Right.
So if you want to even put across like two plants in your house or maybe 50,000 plants, like it's easily doable. There's no limitation on where you can start hydroponic. You can start it with one plant as well.
Got
Basically.
it. Got it.
Yeah.
So it is something that can be installed in individual households.
Definitely.
It is something that individuals can maintain. They just need to follow the basic instructions,
Right.
and it is fairly simple to take up.